This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we'll create and modify a general arrangement drawing with multiple views. Open the Sheets Manager and click on the Generate button. Then select Add New Plan Views. In the Create Plan Views window, activate Grid A and press OK. In the Format and Scale dialog, deactivate the option Annotate Assemblies and activate Annotate Main Profiles. Then press OK. And in a short while, the view will become visible. We'll now create an enlarged detail from that view. To do this, click on the icon Detail in GA Drawing, and then zoom to the top right corner of the view and make a right to left frame around the connection. Accept the default scale value and click OK. Then accept the default settings and again press OK. Then select a point next to the existing view for the location of the new detail. Using this method, you can add as many views as you wish. We'll now add a dimension to the view. Click on the chain dimension icon and zoom into the middle connection detail, and move the cursor and snap to the top line of the member. Click the left mouse button to accept. Then move the cursor and snap to the top line of the member underneath, and again click the left mouse button to accept. And finally, move the cursor to between the two members to place the text. And when you're satisfied with the position, click the left mouse button and then press Enter to close the command. You can change the dimension parameters by selecting it and placing the mouse cursor over one of the grip points. We'll now modify the model. Click on the Model tab just below the drawing so that the model space becomes active. Then select the Move command from the top Modify menu. Select the two horizontal members between the columns and press Enter to confirm the selection. Click somewhere below the members and enter the new coordinates for the move. Then press Enter. In the Sheets Manager window, click on the sheet Grid A and click the right mouse button to open the submenu. Then click on Refresh Views. You'll see that the view was updated to reflect the modified 3D parts, and the dimension and annotations of the modified members were also updated. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.